All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. This is very simple question. So I have that 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x is equal to what? 300. All right. Now, as good as you can say x plus x plus x to give you 3x. So 5x plus 5x plus 5x, sorry, 5 raised to power x, 5 raised to power x, 5 raised to power x will give you 3.5 raised to power x. Okay, is equal to what? 300. You know, when multiplication moves to the other side to become division, so if 5 raised to power x stay on its own, I'm going to have 300 divided by 3. So therefore, 5 raised to power x is equal to what? 100. Now, because I cannot reduce this 100 to be in the base of 5, then I'm going to solve it with logarithm. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. I'll say log 5 raised to power x is equal to what? Log 100. Okay, so please permit me to finish it up here. So I'm going to have that this one will go to the back to have that x log 5, okay, is equal to log 100 is 2. I hope you know that. Yes, log 100 is 2. So now what do we have? I'm going to have that x is now equal to what? 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so which will give you log 5 is 0.699. So I'm going to have 2 divided by 0.699. Okay, so I'm going to have my final answer now. Log 5, yeah, 0.699. So 2 divided by that, my answer. I'm going to have 2.86. So my answer is now 2.8 2.861. So that is the final answer to this. So thank you very much for watching. Please follow us, like this video, and comment.